Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Spark 20P. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole, dynamic bar display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.6% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 267 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HIOS screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by MediaTek Helio G36, 12nm chipset, paired with PowerVR GE 8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 on board storage, which is further expandable via micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 75.6 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options, gold, green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC support. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Spark 20P has been priced for 4GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,499 South African Rand. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Spark 20P smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.